Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to my panels, Sir Muhammad Azmi bin Said and Sir Ahmad Idil bin Abdul Rahman. My name is Muhammad Khairul Ikram bin Halim from 3BEA to Stroke 1. Today I will present about my final year project 1, which is development of automated smart billing trolley using RFID and Arduino. Okay, the agenda that I will present in my presentation. Firstly, I will present about introduction, that the ideas came to build this project. Second, objective of this project. Third, the analysis that I've made, which is the system that exists before this project was were proposed. For the proposed system that I want to make in this project. 5, working principle of this project. 6, the requirement. 7, advantages of this project. And finally, conclusion that I've made from this project. Okay, firstly, for introduction. Nowadays, shopping at big malls is becoming a daily activity in metro cities. This situation we also can see in Malaysia, which is the huge rush at malls on holidays and weekends. In Malaysia, every supermarket and hypermarket employ shopping trolley to the customer that they need to drop every product which they need to purchase into the shopping trolley and then proceed to check out at the billing counter. So after the purchase, at the billing counter, the cashier prepare the bills using barcode reader, which is a time-consuming process and result in long queues. The billing process is quite tedious and highly time-consuming, and has created the need for shop or supermarket to employ more and more human resource in the billing section, and yet waiting time remain considerably high. So this trolley can be used in the shopping mall to solve the rush at billing counter by using Mini-Tech RFID module and reader. Okay, so the objective for this project is 1, to design and develop smart billing trolley scanner by using RFID and Arduino microcontroller. Second, to develop a smart trolley overspend detection system to reduce the risk of over budgeting during the shopping. Third, to analyze the accuracy of RFID scanner between the barcode scanner. So the analyzed existing system that I have made from the previous project, which is the system of the trolley or billing section, which is they use the manual billing, which is use the barcode billing. This system will need more staff for billing purpose, which is this will increase the budget for the supermarket or hypermarket to hire more staff for this billing purpose. Next, customer cannot know the overspending budget unless at the payment counter, which is the regular trolley or standard trolley does not have any scanner, so customer cannot know the exact price of the product unless they go to the counter to do the payment. But maybe at the counter the customer will face the problem, which is they will realize that they have spent over budget during their shopping. So from the standard trolley, we know that the customer have to drop every product which they wish to purchase into the shopping trolley, and they proceed to the checkout at the billing counter. The billing process is quite tedious and highly time consuming. The barcode scanner are also used at the counter, which is consume more time, because the barcode scanner sometimes they take a delay to scan the product. So the proposed system for this trolley, one is automatic billing during the shopping. This means customer does not need to calculate the price manually during their shopping to prevent the over budgeting. They just put the product into the trolley and it will display the price on the LCD screen. This will prevent the customer to over budget during their shopping. Okay, next, this system will use RFID tags instead of old school barcode. We know that RFID have more benefits than a barcode, which is RFID can increase efficiency over standard barcode technology by reading multiple tags at once. Tags also are able to store more information per chip than old school barcode, and the wireless scanner that have the ability to instantly identify and capture data when within scanning range. This is different with barcode scanner, which is the barcode need a direct line of sign to the barcode to be able to read. In order to read the barcode scanner needs to be quite close, around no more than 15 feet. The barcode have no read-write capabilities, that they does not contain any added information such as expiry date and other else. Next, the proposed system for this trolley is I use the Arduino microcontroller. The reason I use this microcontroller compared to other advanced microcontroller, because Arduino is inexpensive, low cost, but it also have efficient quality and practicality. So we know that Arduino board are relatively inexpensive compared to other microcontroller platforms. Nowadays we can get this microcontroller at least 20 to 40 ringgits only. So with the using of the microcontroller and other component, this proposed system will have low production cost. Lastly, this trolley also have anti-theft feature, which is every product that put into the trolley will be automatically scanned by the RFID module reader or scanner. So every product that put into the trolley will not miss from the billing process with this trolley. Okay, so this is the working principle for this trolley. So for the shopping mall owner, they need to scan the RFID code to make sure the code is in the database. So when they scan, the product information such as price or other information will be kept into the database. Okay, I will explain the working principle for the customer to use this trolley. We know that every product has an RFID tag which contain a unique ID. These IDs are fed in the database assigned by admin to the corresponding product. So when customer need to buy the product, they will find the product into the section that arranged in the shopping mall. So if they need to purchase the product, then the product can be dropped into the trolley, where the RFID reader will read the tag that has on the product. So then the information of the product is extracted, like price or other information, and will display on the LCD screen. At the same time, the billing information is also updated on the LCD screen. So when customer add more product, the price will be total up and also will updated to the new price. Next, when customer want to remove any product from the trolley, then the product need to be scanned again. At the same time, the billing information is updated. The total amount of purchases is also displayed on the LCD screen. This step repeat until the end of the shopping button or end button is pressed. This will total up the bill and will display on the LCD screen. So the customer can straight away to the pay counter or payment counter to pay the bill and leave. So after the customer complete the shopping and done the payment, the trolley will be reset to the initial state. The initial state that I mean, which is example, maybe the welcoming sentence from the shopping mall or other sentence that we can put for the initial state on the LCD screen for the trolley. Okay, next, the requirement for this project. The hardware requirement for this project, which is RFID tags, RFID module, scanner, LCD screen, Arduino microcontroller, buzzer, LED, and other like minor component. For example, resistor, capacitor, and other else will be added to make sure that this project is stable. So the software that used for this project, which is Arduino IDE, that will be used to make the programming and coding the project. Okay, so the advantages from this trolley system. One, intimate the customers about the current price by showing on the trolley LCD screen. Second, help in business promotion for the supermarket by gaining more customers, providing quick service. 3. Easy to use and does not need any special training. 4. This system will help in achieving faster billing system. 5. The innovation payment method. Avoid the long time waiting. 6. Help the buyer to know the bill detail in advance so that they can purchase an affordable purchase product. Okay, so for the conclusion, the proposed model is easy to use, low price, and does not require any special training. This model keeps an account and uses of the existing developments and various types of radio frequency identification and detection technologies which are used for item recognition, billing, and inventory update. As the whole system is becoming smart, the requirement of manpower will decrease, thus benefiting the retailers. Theft in the mall will be controlled using this smart system, which further add to the cost efficiency. The time efficiency will increase phenomenally since this system will eliminate the waiting queues. More customers can be served in the same time, thus benefiting the retailers and customer as well. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for spending time to watch my presentation session. Thank you.